Discover the future of garage transformations. TECNICA custom cabinetry designed exclusively by Garage Living. Let's set out on a journey to discover TECNICA's exclusive style and unparalleled design. Witness the innovative manufacturing process and the meticulous care of hand-assembled craftsmanship. For the final reveal, be inspired by installations that transform your garage into an elevated and sophisticated focal point. TECNICA boasts a dramatic contemporary look and feel, specifically engineered to elevate your garage's interior. Every component of TECNICA has been meticulously designed with unmatched attention to detail, resulting in a cabinetry system that is simply unparalleled. Our revolutionary manufacturing process sets TECNICA apart. We have leveraged cutting-edge technology to achieve precise and progressive designs, ensuring that every piece meets our exacting standards. Through automated manufacturing, we maintain consistency and accuracy that surpasses traditional methods. To complement the precision of state-of-the-art manufacturing, our skilled craftsmen bring an artisan touch to each cabinet during the manual assembly process. Their attention to detail and dedication ensures that every TECNICA cabinet meets the highest level of quality. Prepare to be captivated by the extraordinary transformation of your garage entryway. TECNICA cabinets not only redefine the possibilities of garage storage, but also elevate the avant-garde appeal of your entire home. As visionaries, we have evolved garages into an extension of your living space, blending robustness with refined beauty. Embrace the exclusive. Experience the revolutionary. And elevate your space with the extraordinary TECNICA cabinetry system. Discover how TECNICA can transform your garage into a luxurious extension of your home.